Class 01 locomotives. This model of the 01.5 series is in H0 and comes from the company Pico in the former GDR. The numerous details, such as the steam whistle and safety valves, have been applied separately and, like the driver's cap for example, have been worked out in great detail. The total length over the buffers is 281.6 millimeters and the engine is in the tender. The original was the express train steam locomotive of the Deutsche Reichsbahn. Some locomotives of the corresponding series 01 were reconstructed by the Deutsche Reichsbahn in the 1960s and then classified as series 01.5. However, all of them were built between 1925 and 1938. The companies IG, Brosig, as well as Henschel & Co. made a total of 231 locomotives as Class 01. A further 10 copies were added by converting the 02 series. With a length over the buffers of 23,940 millimeters, so almost 24 meters, and a service weight of over 100 tons, they were used as standard locomotives for fast passenger traffic and reached speeds of around 120 kilometers per hour. Of course, only when driving forwards, and 50 kilometers per hour when driving backwards. Interestingly, the delivery of the 01 series was delayed because in the 1920s there were neither enough routes with the necessary permissible axle load nor enough turntables with a correspondingly large diameter available. After the end of the Second World War, 165 of the former 241 Class 01 locomotives were in service with the Deutsche Bundesbahn in the western part of Germany, and another 65 with the Deutsche Reichsbahn in the GDR. While the last 8 operational machines were retired in Western Germany in 1973, the ones in the GDR were used for another 10 years. However, over the years numerous modifications have been made in both countries. In particular, 35 Class 01 locomotives were rebuilt in the GDR starting in 1962. They were fitted with new smoke deflectors, a new driver's cap and a higher boiler, and were then designated as the 01.5 series. Today there are still 16 Class 01 locomotives, 5 of which are also in operation, and 2 of them belong to the 01.5 series.